In this video, you'll learn how to add Arbitrum to your Trust Wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to purchase and manage Arbitrum directly within your wallet application. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google search engine by typing in the URL or simply searching for Google in your browser's address bar. Once the Google homepage loads, you will see the search bar prominently displayed at the center of the screen. Next, in the search bar, type Trust Wallet extension and press Enter on your keyboard. This action will take you to a list of search results related to the Trust Wallet extension. Look for the official Trust Wallet website in the results and click on it to proceed. Once the Trust Wallet page loads, locate the option labeled Fund on the main navigation menu. Clicking on this will direct you to the funding options available within your Trust Wallet. After that, select the option titled Buy Crypto. This will present you with various cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Ensure that you are connected to a stable internet connection, as a slow connection may delay the loading available options. Now, you will see an option labeled Choose a Crypto. Click on this to explore the different cryptocurrencies you can buy. This step is crucial as it allows you to specify which cryptocurrency you intend to purchase. After you click Choose a Crypto, a search option will appear. Click on Search to enter the name of the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. This will help filter the options to find Arbitrum quickly. In the search field, type Arbitrum and press Enter. This action will display results related to Arbitrum. You may need to wait a moment for the results to populate, especially if your internet connection is slower than usual. Once the results load, look through the options until you find the specific Arbitrum you want to choose. It's important to verify that you're selecting the correct token, as there may be multiple listings. After identifying the correct Arbitrum token, click on it to select it. This action will typically bring you to a detailed view where you can finalize your purchase. Now, you will need to enter the amount of Arbitrum you wish to buy. Make sure to verify your available balance in Trust Wallet before entering the amount, as insufficient funds may prevent the transaction. Once you have typed in the desired amount, click on the Continue button to proceed with the purchase. A confirmation screen may appear, allowing you to review the details of your transaction before finalizing it. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.